OnePlus 7 and the OnePlus 7 Pro have both been launched into the Indian market, and the event has been happened on the 14th of May. Many users or the many YouTubers are already talking about the OnePlus 7 Pro, but nobody is talking about the OnePlus 7. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about all the things you should know before buying out the OnePlus 7. So I'm your friend Manish and you're watching Technical Chaharji. So let's get started with the video. So I personally attended all the event of the OnePlus 7 E series launch, and in that event everyone is talking about the camera samples only. Nobody is talking about the in-depth capabilities of the phones, and the focus is on OnePlus 7 Pro only. The OnePlus 7 actually has been shadowed under the OnePlus 7 Pro. So the price range and all the other things I'm going to tell you right now, but first start with its design. The OnePlus 7 design almost same as the OnePlus 6T. We're going to see on the front the tear down notch. On the back you're going to get the dual camera setup of 14 megapixel plus 5 megapixel, and on the front you're going to get the 16 megapixel selfie camera. And this time again we have seen the fingerprint scanner under the screen. The same fingerprint scanner which you are seeing in the OnePlus 6T. And on the side we're going to see the silent button, the vibrate button, and to the normal mode button. On the side you're going to see the volume rocker buttons, and on the above your SIM card slot. On the beneath you're going to see the dual speaker setup and your Type-C charging point, but this time on the front, or you can say on the top, you're going to get another speaker which will be used for your Dolby sound setup. Now you don't have to adjust your hands while holding up the phone. From both the sides, from the top and the bottom, you can able to hear that sound, the better quality for your videos or while you are playing out the games. The phone is being powered by the latest Snapdragon 855 processor, and if I talk more about the screen size is of 6.41 inches and the battery is of around 3700 mAh. The battery actually has been increased a bit from the last successor. But this time for the internal memory, it will be supported by your UFS 3.0, which will make your image recording or the image storage on your device much faster as compared to the earlier devices of the OnePlus. The phone has inherited the night mode and the reading mode. And if I talk about the new feature which will be going to be available with the Oxygen OS on the Android 9 of this OnePlus 7, the first one is of the screen recorder. Yes, the OnePlus community actually has listened to you, and now the screen recorder will be available in the OnePlus 7. The same feature, the screen recorder, we're going to see later part in the OnePlus 6 and the OnePlus 6T devices. If I more talk about the new feature which is the Zen mode, what the Zen mode do actually, it will make the 20 minutes relaxation mode. In that minute you will not be able to use any kind of a social media website, just you can take pictures and can receive calls. It will be a great to just stay away from your mobile phone if you use this Zen mode functionality on your phone. For the 6 gigabytes and for the 128 gigabytes of internal storage, you're going to just pay the 33,000 rupees. But if I talk about the 8 gigabytes and the 256 gigabytes of internal storage, you're going to pay around 38,000 rupees. And for the OnePlus 7, the price range seems to be very much okay and very much competitive as compared to the OnePlus 6T. If I talk about the color will be available in the mirror gray and in the red color. So that's all about the OnePlus 7. The picture quality seems to be very much great about it. The phone overall looks very much great, and if you want to upgrade to OnePlus 5 to OnePlus 7, you should go for this update. But if you compare with the OnePlus 7 Pro and its price, if you want to go for the OnePlus 7 Pro and if you have a huge money around 50,000 rupees, think about it, just for the pictures you're going to buy a smartphone, or on that price you can buy a better DSLR, which you can be used to take better much quality pictures as compared to the OnePlus 7 Pro. So that's my whole opinion about the OnePlus 7 and the OnePlus 7 Pro. In detail, I'm not talking about OnePlus 7 Pro because I don't think that the user will be benefited with the pop-up camera or with the triple camera setup, and that all other things seems to be same as compared to the OnePlus 7. The OnePlus 7 actually seems to be very much budget friendly and very much user friendly, and you can say it will benefit much for the users. So if you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share this with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for such interesting videos. And I'll see you all in the next one.